Welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two of the most powerful spices in the world, cinnamon and turmeric. They both taste great, they both have impressive health benefits, but they work very differently inside your body. So which one should you choose, and which one is better for your health after age 30? Let's find out. Let's start with cinnamon. Cinnamon comes from the inner bark of a tree called cinnamomum. It has a warm and sweet flavor that many people use in coffee, desserts, and herbal drinks. But cinnamon is more than a flavor. It contains a powerful compound called cinnamaldehyde, which gives it its fragrance and many of its health benefits. Cinnamon is well known for helping regulate blood sugar. Research shows that it may improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood glucose spikes after meals, and support metabolic health. It also supports heart health. Cinnamon may help lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. And because it's rich in antioxidants, cinnamon helps protect your cells from damage caused by oxidation and inflammation. It even has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. For daily use, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon is usually enough. Now, let's look at turmeric. Turmeric is a golden yellow spice made from the root of the curcuma longa plant. Its active compound is curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory substances known today. Turmeric is especially helpful for reducing inflammation, which is a key factor in aging, joint discomfort, and many chronic health issues. Studies show that curcumin can help ease joint stiffness, support mobility, and improve overall comfort. Turmeric also supports brain health. It may help protect memory, improve mood, and reduce oxidative stress inside the brain. Like cinnamon, turmeric is also a strong antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals. But here's something important. Curcumin is not absorbed well on its own. To get the full benefits of turmeric, you need to combine it with black pepper or a source of healthy fat, such as olive oil or coconut milk. Now, let's compare them side by side. If your main goal is better blood sugar control, cinnamon is the clear winner. It helps the body respond better to insulin and supports stable glucose levels. On the other hand, if your goal is reducing inflammation or supporting joint health, turmeric is the stronger choice. Its anti-inflammatory effects are more powerful and more heavily researched. And, if you're looking for brain and mood support, turmeric also has the advantage. Curcumin has been shown to help with memory, focus, and overall brain function. When it comes to heart health, both spices are helpful, but in different ways. Cinnamon supports cholesterol and blood sugar, while turmeric supports inflammation and blood vessel health. In terms of absorption, cinnamon is absorbed easily, while turmeric needs pepper or fat for the best results. Both spices are safe in food amounts, but high doses in supplement form can cause issues. Cassia cinnamon contains coumarin, which can irritate the liver in large amounts. Turmeric supplements can interact with blood thinners or cause stomach discomfort. Always check with your doctor if you have medical conditions or take medications. So, which one should you use? Choose cinnamon if your focus is blood sugar, metabolism, or flavor. Adding a small amount to your coffee, oatmeal, or yogurt is an easy daily habit. Choose turmeric if you want to reduce inflammation, support your joints, or boost brain health. Try adding it to soups, rice, eggs, or make a cup of golden milk. But the truth is, the best option for most people is to use both. Each spice offers unique benefits, and together they can support your overall health, especially after age 30. Here are a few simple ways to include them in your routine. Add cinnamon to coffee, tea, oatmeal, smoothies, or baked fruit. Add turmeric to roasted vegetables, scrambled eggs, rice dishes, or mix it with warm milk, black pepper, and honey for a relaxing nighttime drink. Consistency is the key. Small amounts every day are more beneficial than large amounts once in a while. If you enjoyed this comparison, let me know in the comments. Do you use cinnamon more, turmeric more, or both? I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new health and nutrition video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.